Where's Massachusetts?
Yeah, we gotta just figure out how to. She said to go to the Motel 6, we did that, and it didn't work. I don't understand. This doesn't work, I just have to get the money back, okay? There's nothing else we can do. I just paid for it. We can't use it. What's it saying when we hit Motel 6 again?
It says connected.
But then you go to YouTube.
And it says not connected.
I think we're doing something wrong. We might have to talk to Josh on that. So it is saying connected.
Yeah, but when I get on it, it's not.
Well, she said something about finding, I think we're doing something wrong. Alright, so what are we getting, milk?
Yeah.